Hi guys, this is Mansi. So welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to review a foundation by Lakme, which Lakme 925 Perfect Cover Foundation. As you guys asked for affordable foundation review, so here am I doing it for you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's jump on to the review. So this is what the packaging looks like. It has this plastic cover over it, and I'm in the shade W320 Warm Caramel, and I'm going to open it. This is going to be a first impression because I'm also trying it for the first time. So as you can see, it comes with this spatula just like the Wet n Wild foundation, although the spatula is not that stable. It is very flimsy, and I hope the color is my shade because I have seen the reviews and the swatches, so I hope it matches me. And let's move forward. So first I'm going to apply a primer as usual. Oh my god. So we are primed, and first off, as usual, I'm going to apply my concealer, and I will be right back. So we are all concealed, and now we are going to try the foundation. So I am going to take the foundation on the back of my hand, this much, and the beauty blender, and I'm going to dot. Oh, this is quite thick as I thought. This smells very weird. Little bit on my neck. This is definitely a light shade, so let's match our neck to it, because this is definitely not my shade, but I can make it look good on the camera by just painting my soul. Disaster. So I have blended the foundation, and the finish of the foundation is really good. The only off thing I can see is the shade. I look like, I don't know, just all the color has been taken off my skin. I wish it was my skin tone, but I'm not mad at it because I already use 2 shades of any foundation if I have to match it to my exact tone, because I'm never one shade. You guys could see that the foundation blended beautifully without any extra effort, and now also my skin looks really nice in it. And for the color, I will just use concealer or bronzer to match it up to myself. Otherwise, I liked the finish of the foundation. The fragrance which was there when I applied on the face was really weird. Like, it was not even a good fragrance, it was just off. So if you're someone who don't like, who hates fragrance, this is not the one for you, because I don't think you are even going to apply it on your face. So yes, otherwise let's see how it wears off and how it looks when I'm done with my whole face of makeup. So I will be right back. So I am back with the full face of makeup, and here you can see how my skin looks at the moment. It looks pretty nice after I've set it and all. I also applied a bit of concealer underneath my eyes just to tone it down a little, although it is looking really nice. I have applied a lot of bronzer and contour to just match it up to my skin tone, and it looks okay if I see from a distance, because this is still acceptable, I guess, because my hands are anyway way darker than my face. But look at the finish, guys. The finish of this foundation is just so amazing. I mean, I can't say that I'm just wearing a 500 rupees foundation, and I don't feel heavy even after doing my full face on, like, my face, that I've applied really heavy foundation and it has covered everything pretty well. Like, you can't see anything on my face which is not covered, and I can't just stop myself from looking at myself in the camera. And I also did a little bit of creativity today, and yes, the first impression is really great. The only problem I had is with the shade, so I'll probably go for a shade darker and mix them up and then use it. Otherwise I can mix it up with any other darker foundation, and I hope this gives me the same finish. But if you are thinking to buy this foundation, just go ahead and buy it, because I don't think you can get a better foundation than this, because the Maybelline one, I feel, is also not that great. If you have really oily skin, that will crease up and cake up on your face if you have really oily skin, whereas this one is just sticking to my face so nicely that I am shocked, guys. Like, no comments, but this is a great foundation. And I can say that this can compete to other high-end foundations too. If I don't tell you that which foundation I'm wearing, this can be easily compared to a high-end foundation, because this bottle is just, it has magic in it. Although I'm not a big fan of Lakme, but this foundation is literally changing my views on me starting to use Lakme makeup. So that's like a very big claim, but yes, this is an amazing foundation, and the way it is sticking to my face, I can say this will easily last up to 4 to 5 hours if you have really oily skin and sweaty skin. But if you have combination dry normal skin, this will last you all day without even budging. And dry skin ladies, again, I have one tip for you: moisturize your face nicely. Anyways, everyone has to do that, because if you prep your skin really nicely, the foundation will sit amazingly, no matter what foundation it is, unless it is a really bad foundation. So that was the video, guys. I have nothing else to say. Everything is in front of you, and come on, this looks so amazing. Like, I'll come closer to the camera. Like, just look at my skin. And it is looking so nice in the real life also. It is not looking cakey, heavy, or anything of that sort. I'm just loving my face. So yes, that is the video guys for you. And if you like what you see, just hit subscribe to my channel and do leave your comment down below. What would you like me to review next, or any other thing, how to do this or that? You can just comment down below and let me know. And if I see any other changes, if it oxidizes, because it hasn't oxidized yet, and I took a lot of time to do my makeup because I did cut crease today, and cut crease takes time. So I don't think that the foundation will oxidize or anything else. This will stay as it is. So that is that. So yes, this is all I have to say. And if you have used this foundation, do let me know what are your thoughts about it. And if you are my complexion, what shade are you using, or what colors are you mixing together to get your right shade? So till then, take care, bye bye.